Hi, my name is Kylie Kellas and I'm the parenting specialist. I'm a registered associate marriage and family therapist practicing in Orange County, California. Today we're going to be talking about effective discipline. The first step is telling your kids what you do want. So say they are breaking a rule like throwing their Legos or toy or whatever it is. So many of us want to go, stop doing that, knock that off. And I want to tell you, it sounds like just like semantics and words, but if you say play gently with your toys or our toys stay on the ground, the positive phrasing just really helps. Because has anyone ever said, hey, don't think about a purple elephant? Yeah, the only thing you could think about was a purple elephant, right? So saying don't do anything is not super effective. The second one is going to be, you can say the first instruction from wherever you are, you're kind of across the room. But if it happens again, you need to go into their area, you need to get on their level and get their eye contact. And in a calm, kind, instructive manner, like we're not going to let ourselves show that frustration or anger we might be having. And if you would like to learn how to control your emotions to be able to parent better, let me know in the comments and I will definitely make that video, because it's hard. It's hard. Anyway, so you're going to get back on their level and get their eye contact and say we're going to play with our toys gently. And then you're going to set the consequence. And I'm a big fan of natural consequences. So they are throwing toys. My favorite natural consequence is you don't get to play with that toy anymore. So I would say you need to play with your toy gently. If you throw it again, then those toys are going to be going away for the rest of the day. Now, my suggestion is to take it away to let them know how long. That some people, especially like if it's a small child and it's a new rule that you're kind of working with in the first couple of days, that it might be they'll go away for 15 minutes. I really would not extend a consequence past into another day until the kids are basically tweens, like let's say 12 or so. They just don't really understand why it's happening. They just think, mom or dad or grandma or whoever is just being a meanie. Consequence for the rest of the day can be if you keep throwing your Legos, the Legos are going to go away until tomorrow. And then you have to follow through, which can be really hard. They may throw a fit. They may say, I hate you. They may try to kick you. Yeah, you've experienced your child doing this. So, definitely in the Pipeworks is a video on how to put your child in timeout effectively if they are being uphill. The last one is you have to stick to it. So to summarize, we're going to tell them what they should do, going to get on their level if they need a second warning and tell them in a kind, calm, instructive manner. You're going to give them a consequence, and hopefully a natural consequence, and then you need to enforce that consequence if it does happen again, even if it feels like World War III. There's actually this thing called an extinction burst, which is basically if you make a new rule, that the child will have the biggest, hugest tantrumy reaction that they will ever have on it when the rule is first put in. So some people think, oh, I make this new rule and they throw a huge tantrum. I can't do this every day. I have to give in. And the first time that you set a consequence and stick to it is actually probably going to be the worst reaction you will ever get. So that's a bummer, because you're still practicing on enforcing these consequences and you are already at like level 10 of difficulty level. So if you guys would like me to do a role play of how to handle a situation like this, let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you. If you have something you're interested in, I've got a lot of information I want to share with you. So I can talk about sleep issues with kids of different ages, tantrums, potty training. Let me know what you guys want to see next and I'll give it to you. Thanks.